Hello my friends, my name is Fabio and today I will teach you how to play the song How Great the Words. In this particular version, you will set the tuning of your acoustic guitar to the standard E tuning, but I will be using a capo in the 4th fret here. Alright? Despite the fact I am using a capo here, I will be using simple chords, and you can change the position of the capo on the fretboard depending on the range of your voice, right? Because I am a tenor, I am using a capo here in order to be easier for me to sing, but you can change lower or higher depending on the range of your voice. Lower if you were a baritone or something like that, and higher if you are a woman and you're a soprano. First of all, the chords that you use, I will just play it for you to see on the screen right now. The rhythm that you play using your right hand is a very simple one, which you play the chord and then play a ghost note in order to perform a percussive sound, right? It's not too hard to play. So let's play together How Great the Words.
Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe display. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art. When I think that God his Son not sparing sent him to die, I scarce can take it in, that on the cross my burden gladly bearing, he bled and died to take away my sin. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When Christ shall come with shout of acclamation and take me home, what joy shall fill my heart. Then I shall bow in humble adoration and then proclaim, my God, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee.